Hello, I'm Dr. Ken Waldman. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist practicing in West Los Angeles. I actually entered psychotherapy myself in I guess it was the late 60s. I had come out of college and come here to Los Angeles to start my career and felt pretty lost and pretty lonely and not at all clear about who I was or what my goals in life were. And therapy was very effective with me. Also, this was the late 60s in Southern California. There were radical therapies just blossoming all over the place, and I got involved initially in the radical therapy movement and was licensed as a pastoral counselor for many years. I went back and got my PhD mid-career. I think if you're being an honest therapist, you're growing the whole time because you're asking your patients to grow. Certainly, I think my approach has deepened. My understanding of the human condition has deepened considerably. I think my compassion and capacity for empathy has been significantly expanded just through my life experiences of it. I'm still very much oriented in what I would call the psychodynamic or psychoanalytic perspective, recognizing that childhood patterns carry on into adulthood, usually unconsciously, and helping make them conscious can be a transformative life experience. And I'm also profoundly influenced by the existentialists and humanistic thinkers who said you have to make a direct connection with your client. Without that, without the forming of a relationship, nothing's going to happen, and it starts from there. And one has to take the existential conditions of life into account. Some of it we're responsible for, and some of it just happens to us. Being married and raising children does a lot to increase one's sense of empathy and understanding of the human condition. I think what I bring to my clients is an honesty, it's a directness. I'm not limited by some theoretical perspective that I have to follow. I treat every individual as an individual and do my best to understand them in their life circumstances and what it's like to walk in their moccasins, so to speak. And I think I bring years of clinical experience to that.